Hey there! I'm thrilled you decided to join me today. Let's dive into something deeply personal and transformative, the power of physical touch in relationships. Did you know that a simple touch can send waves of oxytocin through your body? That's right, oxytocin, often called the love hormone. It strengthens feelings of trust, security, and calmness. But why is touch so powerful? Well, from the moment we're born, our skin functions as a boundary and a connector, linking us to the outside world. When someone you love holds your hand, hugs you, or simply pats your back, it bridges emotional gaps and builds a unique bond that words alone can't achieve. Think about it. When was the last time a warm hug from your partner made a bad day better? Or a gentle touch on the arm reassured you during a tough moment? These small gestures significantly impact our relationships because they communicate care, affection, and presence. Physical touch also plays a crucial role in communication. It can say, "I'm here for you," or "I understand," sometimes better than words can. And for couples, this form of nonverbal communication is key in maintaining a deep emotional connection. Now, it's not just about romantic relationships. Physical touch is essential in all forms of connections, be it with family or friends. However, in romantic partnerships, the stakes are high and the rewards are even higher. By incorporating more mindful touch, you nurture the roots of your relationship, allowing it to grow stronger and more resilient. So, here's a little homework for you and your partner. Try to incorporate small acts of physical touch into your daily routine. A kiss goodbye in the morning, holding hands during a walk, or a comforting hug after a long day. Watch how these small moments can create big changes in your emotional connection. Thank you for sharing your time with me. Remember, in a world full of distractions, these moments of touch can make all the difference in making your loved one feel valued and loved. Until next time, keep connecting, keep caring, and keep touching hearts.